Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain the Brick Sparrow bird info cards in Heartopia. So you're just going to go bird watching here. It is near the old sea in the onsen area. So this is where you're going to go bird watching. So let's start the Brick Bird event here. Confirm. And I'm just going to start it. You can do it without the event, but it's easier to find birds this way. I'm also just going to enable the bird whistle. It is going to rain later on, so you might want to do it when it is raining to get 5-star pictures. So let's go around and see the kind of birds we find. And we found the first one, which is the purple Brick Sparrow. This is our first Brick Sparrow of the day. Let's see if we can find more, okay? Just finding purple ones for now. There are other colors. I think I did see a pink one, but it ran away. So hopefully we will see more colors. Oh, here's one, I think. There we go. It is the pink one. Oops, I am going out of range though. What's that? Okay, that's just a normal bird. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. They will spawn in this area. And yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.